In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Braintree in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, you know how important it is to offer your customers a seamless and secure payment process. Braintree is a powerful payment gateway that supports credit cards, PayPal, and even Apple Pay, providing your customers with multiple ways to complete their purchase. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or looking for a guide to ensure you've done it right, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process, from installing the plugin to configuring all the key settings. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Braintree plugin. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in Braintree. Once you find the plugin, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. If you've downloaded the plugin directly from the official WooCommerce website, you can upload it manually by clicking the Upload Plugin button and selecting the file from your computer. Before moving forward, it's always a good idea to back up your website. This ensures that if anything goes wrong during the installation or setup process, you can restore your site to a previous working state. There are many tools available for backing up WordPress, so choose one that works best for you and complete the backup before proceeding. Once the plugin is installed, the next step is to activate it. Simply navigate to your plugins page, find the Braintree plugin, and click Activate. With the plugin now active, we can dive into the configuration process. Next, go to the WooCommerce settings by hovering over WooCommerce in the left-hand menu of your dashboard and clicking on Settings. Once you're on the WooCommerce settings page, look for the Payments tab at the top of the page and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your payment gateways. Scroll down the list of available gateways until you see Braintree Credit Card. Click on it to open the settings page for this option. To enable the gateway, check the box that says Enable this gateway. This activates credit card payments through Braintree, and now it's time to customize the settings. Start by updating the title field to something descriptive like Credit Debit Card, which is what your customers will see during checkout. If you prefer, you can also remove any unnecessary card logos like Diners Club, Maestro, or JCB to keep the checkout page clean. For the debug mode, set it to Save to Log, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. Then set the environment to production for live sites or sandbox if you're testing. Leave the Share Connection settings from other gateway option unchecked, as it's not needed in most cases. Next, you'll need to add your Braintree API credentials. Log into your Braintree account and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select API to access your credentials. Copy the merchant ID, public key, and private key, and paste them into the corresponding fields in the WooCommerce settings. If you have multiple merchant accounts, you can specify the currency and add the merchant account ID. However, if you're using the default merchant account, you can leave this section blank. For the dynamic descriptor field, it's best to leave it blank unless you have specific customization needs. For the fraud settings, set this to basic unless you have advanced fraud settings configured in your Braintree account. Similarly, for 3D secure settings, the default standard option is usually sufficient unless stricter requirements are necessary. Once you've completed these configurations, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This finalizes the setup for credit card payments. If you'd like to enable Apple Pay, navigate to the Apple Pay settings under Braintree and check the box to enable it. If you're using sandbox credentials for testing, make sure test mode is enabled, then click Save Changes. To complete the Apple Pay setup, log into your Braintree account, go to Account Settings and enable Apple Pay. Add your store URL in the website section. And if you're working in a live environment, download the required file and upload it to the well-known directory of your website's root folder. Verify that the file is publicly accessible by previewing its URL in your browser, and then return to the Braintree dashboard to agree and add your domain. Finally, let's enable PayPal. Scroll to the Braintree PayPal option in the WooCommerce Payments section and click on it. Check the box to enable this gateway as well. As with the credit card settings, set debug mode to Save to Log and match the environment setting to either production or sandbox, depending on your site's stage. Make sure the Share Connection settings option is enabled. If you need to add merchant account IDs specific to PayPal, do so here. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes to finalize the PayPal setup. And that's it. Now you've successfully enabled Braintree in WooCommerce, providing your customers with a secure and flexible way to pay. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.